A day at Universal Studios is always full of adrenaline. I'm shaking. We're totally soaked. Look at this. Earthquake! But this time, we almost left the park without our most valuable item.
Renting a locker. It opened the wrong locker for me.
Guess what he had in that locker?
Universal Studios Hollywood, the entertainment capital of LA.
Okay, baby. $30 for parking, huh?
That's before we enter?
Yes.
Oh my God, no lunch for you.
Oh, come on. No lunch for you. It's here on Universal that they shoot The Voice. How do you decide if you should visit Universal Studios Hollywood? Ask yourself this question. Do you love movies? If you do, this theme park is for you. Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey. Transformers back there and Jurassic World. There's no red carpet in Orlando.
All of the Hollywood stars are here.
Aww. And if you're wondering, should I visit Universal Studios Hollywood knowing that I've been to the park in Orlando? Well, let me tell you this. This is more of an LA experience, you know what I mean? You may even see a show being recorded here. Like right now they're shooting Access Hollywood. This is a show on NBC if you're not from the United States. Orlando's pretty nice too. I even have a video there, but it's purely a theme park. Thank you, you too. They encourage you to download the app. Look at this, they don't even distribute paper guides anymore. It was not the plan to start here, but as there's no line. We just finished the Simpson ride. It's a 360 simulator and wow! What did you think, baby?
Oh, you must go. You must go.
Yes, did you get dizzy?
No.
No, but it's intense. It's very intense. I've never seen a 360 simulator like that. Can't shoot anything inside, that's why I couldn't show. Universal has a different layout. There's the upper lot and the lower lot, and it may take some time for you to go from one to the other. You arrive here at the upper lot. We're gonna go down immediately to the lower lot, cover everything over there, and come back up here. Here in the lower lot, you got 3 main rides, and they're all close to each other. Revenge of the Mummy, Transformers back there, and Jurassic World. This one is unique to Hollywood. They don't have in Orlando. Best of all is that all these 3 rides offer single rider. You can go by yourself, not necessarily together with whoever you're with here in the park. It saves you a lot of time.
Autobots, roll out! I got Megatron! Rookie, they trusted you with this mission. We got it,
I'm glad we had a really good breakfast, right?
Well, my breakfast is scrambled. Twice over now.
Yeah, be careful when you come to these rides here. What we're doing?
Renting a locker free for 90 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
An hour and a half.
You gotta use the lockers here before going to the Mummy. But it's free.
Accepted. You're accepted.
Your souls belong to me!
I'm shaking. I'm so hot now. Seriously, you're shaking too? That was the best for me. Revenge of the Mummy.
Too intense for the morning.
Yeah.
You need to ease me into this.
It's so intense. You go on the roller coaster and then come back the roller coaster. It's crazy. Thank you. You're already all wet even before the drop. Oh my God. Look at this. We're totally soaked. Look at this. Seriously, look at the situation here.
Oh yeah, you didn't come prepared.
No, we need to hang in the sun a little. No. even before the drop, they're inside, they already throw some water at you. Jurassic World is like the movie Jurassic Park. You go for a ride, it is beautiful dinosaur park. All of a sudden something goes wrong and the T-Rex is loose. Ends up right here with a splash. And look at this, a lot of people arriving now. When we came here, first thing in the morning, it was totally empty. We didn't wait anything, we just arrived and went directly to the rides. It's worth it arriving early here. Out of the three in this lower lot, which one is your favorite?
I think the Mummy.
The Mummy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm between the Mummy and Jurassic World too. Jurassic World, I like the drop, but the Mummy is really, really cool, this roller coaster. It's a roller coaster basically in the dark. When you want to pick up your things, you just come here and reopen the locker. Come on, baby, I need to drink something. Too much action, I need a break. Here's something you only find at Universal Studios Hollywood, the studio tour. They have a VIP experience here too.
Yeah?
Yes, yes, to give you even more access to everything that is being shot here.
Quanto costa?
I think it's more than 200 or 300, I don't know, it's expensive.
The studio tour is one of the main attractions at Universal because this is not just another ride. This is the upper lot, this is the lower lot, and all this is what you see in the studio tour. They're shooting some series here today. Maybe we'll see something. During the studio tour, you see where they film the movies, series, and TV shows, and they even demonstrate some special effects, so get ready. Wow, the guide just explained that these stages here are 98% soundproof. That is so cool, huh? What a coincidence that we see La Brea right here. That's because one of the places we visited in Los Angeles was the real La Brea. Check out the video. This trapped and preserved animals and plants here for the past 50,000 years. It really exists, not only on TV. Oh, the cars here from various movies. The places, baby.
Yeah.
Oh, this was used in Jurassic Park. Wow, that King Kong is the world's largest, most intense 3D experience. Oh no, watch out to the left. Oh, the Mexican area. Wow. Here they shot 200 movies in 1 year at some point. Only in this place here, 200 movies in 1 year. That's because when movies were silent, they could shoot 6 films in a day. Just like that, we leave Mexico to enter Europe.
Earthquake.
Earthquake!
There he is.
Oh, tu 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 tu.
They changed it a little.
Yeah, they did.
Experience.
And I always yell with a shark. Cars here from Fast and Furious. This is the Bates Motel from Psycho. The movie was shot right here.
The airplane crashed.
Simulating a disaster here.
Was set.
There's an Oscar over there.
All designed about
Thank you. Wow, the studio tour lasts for an hour. It's really nice. Here they also have studio tours in Spanish on select days. So check in advance if you want to catch one. Gordon has a very important tip about the studio tour.
Sit in the second last car, not in the first car.
Yes, because the engine is right there. Did you hear anything?
No, too much noise. Engine.
You can hear what the guide is saying, but it is loud. The tour is pretty cool. You go seeing all these stages here, what is being shot where. You don't see the shoots, obviously, because they happen inside. Up there, they're showing what you can't miss. These are the newest rides and the cafe. Let's go there, grab something to eat and try. Here you go, baby. Brand new place to eat.
Yes, let's go.
Yeah. Oh, it's good to finally be able to remove these masks here. Here at Universal, you still have to wear masks even outdoors. Wow. Meatballs inside the grilled cheese sandwich. Ooh. And it comes with tomato soup. We're here now at Minium Cafe, trying their newest restaurant. So how is it? I was afraid my meatballs would fall, so I'm eating my sandwich with knife and fork. It is very tasty. I feel like I made the right choice today. I discovered a different use for the tomato soup, huh? You know, I think he's right. This here will go really well. Wow, it is really delicious. Pretty happy with the choice. Unlike Disney, here at Universal, they don't have table service restaurants, so you cannot make dining reservations in advance. But if that's what you're looking for, there are plenty of sit-down restaurants at the City Walk just outside. Also, you cannot pre-order from the app. That's a shame. You need to order directly in the restaurants. He finished his tomato soup. Now he's trying mine.
How's yours? Wait till I get to your sandwich.
Let's go.
Working alongside your director.
Banana!
Oh, wait, this guy's taking a picture. Hold on.
He's talking about you.
I want to make sure he gets my good side. Oh, so that's a picture.
Yeah, you're beautiful. Yeah.
And my mouth open. Oh, what is this?
He's talking to me. This is the newest ride here, The Secret Life of Pets. The line goes inside the house. It is so cute.
She came home and saw all these puppies in her living room. I guess it.
But now you get seriously grounded or lose warmth.
That sounds baby right there. That was lovely. It's actually a nice break from the shaking of all the other rides. Now to Waterworld. Thank you. Getting ready here for Waterworld, and it looks like we're gonna get wet, baby.
Yeah, maybe.
I think we are in the wet zone, huh?
Enjoy the rest of your day at Universal Studios Hollywood.
That was so cool. Waterworld is a stunt show with actors from a lot of well-known shows. These are all the performers and the shows that they appeared in. Scooby-Dooby-Doo! Hello.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you.
If you need anything, it's probably over there to your right.
All right, thank you. And now, one of the most anticipated areas of the park, at least for Harry Potter fans. Wow, the size of this castle here is really impressive. All this structure here for Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey.
Yeah.
Wow, the ride is so cool because it mixes 360 with like haunted house. It's a bunch of things going on at the same time. But here's something to pay attention because you need to drop your bags and the lockers also. And what happened to you, Gordon?
You misread my fingerprint and opened up a different locker.
Guess what he had in that locker? Yes, the big camera. He was only carrying the camera. They still asked him to put in the locker, and the locker got it wrong.
Cuidado. You're assigned a locker based on your fingerprint, and when you return back, you scan your fingerprint to open. It opened the wrong locker for me. Interesting.
So you need to know what is your real locker, your number, and go tell someone from the staff.
But imagine if it was the other way around. His locker had first opened up with someone else. Not sure we'd still have this camera.
Let's go get some beer.
You mean the butter beer?
Yeah.
You know that that's not beer, right?
No. Then I want different beer. If it says beer, it's beer.
Not butter beer, baby. Hello.
You guys enjoying the day? Having a good time?
Yeah, what about you?
So far, so good.
Excellent. Oh, Gordon, look at that. No one chose you.
No?
No, none chose you.
Oh, well.
Oh, it's the magic wanding place.
It's long, flexible, swishy. Dragon's heartstrings. That's
I think that girl won the wand for free.
She won the one.
She won the wand.
She won the wand.
Yes.
Won the one.
That's a nice gift for participating, right?
Yeah.
So cool. I think that's why there's a busy line here. Everybody's there in hopes to be chosen.
Just like getting a saber and
At Disney?
Disney.
But they don't give you one for free
No,
there.
they don't. They charge you $2.50.
Oh, actual picture card from the mummy. That is so cool. Bye, thank you. Universal is so fun. We had a wonderful time here. Come during low season if you can. If you can't, at least on a weekday, you won't find big lines over here compared to Disney. And fun fact about Universal Studios, this is the largest and busiest TV and motion picture studio in the world. More TV shows and movies have been filmed here on this lot than anywhere else on Earth. Very worth it coming here.